Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another nail tutorial for you guys. This week I thought I'd give my nails a break, and so I have a lovely model come in, Nicole, who I'll be working on. I'll be giving her a nail makeover as well as show you guys how to create this Terrazzo nail art design.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the cuticle prep first. So I'm going to use a dry manicure technique, so there's no need to soak the nails in water. Instead, I'm using my e-file and a cuticle bit to gently buff away and lift up the excess keratin on the nail plate. I'm also using this bit to push back the cuticles to create a nice curve shape. So I'll do this in one direction first, on a forward direction. Then I'll put my e-file in reverse and go back the other direction. Give that a quick dust, and then I'm ready to nip away any of the lifted cuticles. Then I'm going to quickly file her nails. I'm just rounding it off and just shortening them just a tiny bit because I'm going to do sculpted extensions on these. Then I'm going to lightly buff the nail plate to remove the natural shine. When the nail is smooth, the gel has a hard time adhering to it, so if you find that your gel is lifting or peeling right off, it may be because you didn't buff the nail. Now I'm going to apply a nail prep, which is a dehydrator. It removes any oil or moisture from the nail. If you don't have this, you can also use acetone. It pretty much does the same thing. Next, I'm going to brush on some Bonder. Make sure you avoid touching the skin with this, as it may irritate sensitive skin. So what Bonder does is help increase adhesion of the gel product. So after you apply this, make sure you don't touch your face or your hair, as this could add oil back to the nail plate and cause lifting. For the sculpted extensions, I'm going to be using gel, so I need to apply the nail forms first. Each form needs to be cut to fit the nail, so I'm just going to measure up how much I need to cut off and what sort of shape I need to create. Basically, I need to make sure that the form sits right under the free edge of the nail and it meets the side walls. So once I've done that, I'm going to line up the bottom tabs of the form and stick them together. Then I'm going to pinch the form in the middle, and it should look something like this. I'm going to repeat these steps, but this time I'm going to take off my gloves because it kept sticking to the first form and it was annoying me. So it's much easier to do this without gloves. So I'm done with the nails. Doesn't it look like they're wearing party hats? Woohoo! Like they're totally ready to party. Now I'm going to apply a thin layer of base gel. This one is from Dgel and it comes in a little pump container, but you can use whatever base gel you have. This is going to be cured for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to sculpt the extensions using a thicker gel. You can see that this one doesn't run as the viscosity of this is thicker. I'm going to use this to build up the free edge first. So I'm going to pop that on the form, making sure that it meets the free edge of the natural nail, and I'm just going to slowly work this gel down to the desired length. Then I'll flash cure that in place, and then apply another layer of gel, but this time to the entire nail, making sure that it has enough thickness to create some structure. I'm going to flash cure that again and then move on to the next nail. Now, I did get some questions about this little light I'm using. It's from a Korean brand called Diami, but you can also use a little UV torch. I think you can find them online for maybe like $5 or something. It's not too expensive, but it pretty much does the same job. If not, you can just put the nail under your bigger lamp for about 15 to 20 seconds to flash cure it. Once I'm done extending all the nails, I'll do a full cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, now it's time to remove the forms. I'm just going to pinch and then like pull them away. I don't know about you guys, but I really like the look of these clear nails. It kind of looks like water drops to me, or even like glass nails. Anyway, I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer and then file to refine the shape of each nail. I think I'll go for more of an almond shape, as it will make Nicole's fingers look more slender and longer. Now we can start painting. Yay! This is actually the easiest part. I'm going to start off with a layer of this off-white gel color from this brand I just found randomly online. I don't even know how to say it. Anyway, I'm going to paint the tip of the nail first with this and then slowly move upwards towards the cuticles. I just find it easier this way to apply the gel. So I'll do 2 coats of this, and then of course I'll fully cure in between. I also like to use a small brush and apply the color closer to the cuticle, but without touching the skin. Make sure it doesn't touch the skin, because if you cure it, it can cause lifting later on. For the Terrazzo pattern, or Terrazzo if you're from Britain, I've picked out these colors. You can literally use whatever color combinations you want. Then with a fine liner brush, I'm going to start painting random shapes and little dots with different colors. I'm making my shapes more angular because that's what the pattern normally looks like. It's supposed to look like little shards or little like mosaic patterns, if you know what I mean. For the accent nail, I'm going to paint on 2 bigger shapes because this is going to be like a background for the design I'm going to stick on top. And the design is from this little sheet of nail tattoo I got online. To use this, you just pretty much cut out the little design that you want and wet the back of the paper. It's kind of like a temporary tattoo, and then the design should slide right off and you can stick it on the nail. I'm going to use a medium viscosity clear gel to overlay this nail so that it levels out and it's smoother, there's no bumps or ridges. And I'm going to do this to all the nails actually. Then I'm going to cure that under the light and then finish off with my Kiara Sky top coat. Here's a quick before and after shot so you guys can see the nail makeover. Nicole ended up loving it, so I'm really happy that she liked my work.
Thanks for watching another one of my nail tutorials. Make sure you check out my other videos if you want more tips and tricks. If you guys are new here, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!